Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to show you some of the settings that you might need once you install your Android Auto or CarPlay system from Aliexpress or eBay. Now, in order to get that sorted, let's just go head straight into the settings. Now you can go from here and click on factory settings. The default password is 4 zeros, so 1 2 3 4. So once you do that, you enter on this menu. Now one of the issues that you will normally see is when you attach the camera with it, you will see the flickering happening in the screen. Now that's primarily not because your system is wrong or there's something wrong with your camera. It's actually this setting here. So so this is a screen where you have most of the issues. Now this is where you need to go first. So number one is reverse camera format settings. So normally when you get the camera installed, the default setting will be HD 25 or 30. In that kind of situation, you'll get flickering. You'll have the same screen repeated twice. So in order to fix that issue, you need to do NTSC and then save, and then once that's done, the system gets restarted. So once the system is restarted, you put the car in the reverse, the camera works fine. The other thing that you need to set up is the steering controls. So if you go back here and go back to steering learn, so click on these ones. So if you see you got like some buttons on the screen. Okay, so as you can see, the steering wheel has mode, seek, volume and enter button in there, or we can call it a hold button. So in order to get that to be working with the Android system or CarPlay system, whatever you're going to call it, you have to get that screen there that you have, hold the button and then assign something to it. For example, if I was to do a mode, so you press the button mode, and then once that mode is selected, you go down here and click on mode. In that way, it assigns the function button to that particular steering control. Similarly for your volume up, for your volume down. So once you have all set up these things you have set up, you can then continue to use your steering controls going forward. I hope this video makes sense and gives you a bit of an overview of how to set up the system. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I've also added a USB at the back, so it comes with a USB cable, so that like extension, you can put your USB in there as well at the back. So that's all done. So yeah, I hope this one makes sense and gives you a bit of a confidence getting one of these ones. They sound really good. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.